Any adjournment request?
May I please your lordship? But in item number 10, the state respondent has filed their affidavit in opposition. Item 4, sorry, item 4.
Item 4. Yes.
GST department has filed their opposition today. I've received a copy, but the pleadings from 1 to 5 paragraph are missing. I have communicated to Mr. B. Gogoi. We will coordinate, my lord. In the meantime, tomorrow, if you
Let it
can file
reach.
the-
Let it reach. Then let Mr. Gogoi come. Thirty-seven, 38. Okay, who is for the petitioner? Mr. I Pramanik. A.K. Borua. For petitioner in both the cases. Okay, for the petitioner in item number 38 is present. Mr. R. Dhor, Learned Standing Counsel, WPT BC Department. WPT BC Department? Learned Standing Counsel, Tribal Affairs Department has sought 4 weeks time to obtain what up-to-date instruction or what? In the matter, it is submitted that consent has been taken from the Learned Counsel for the other petitioner and respondents to make the prayer.
Lord, I am for 37. I'm for 37.
You are Mr.
Yes, I am.
S.A. Ahmed for the petitioner in 37. Huh? I'm present. Then the other petitioner alage respondents. List the cases come as sought for by the Learned Counsel for the parties on Swens after 4 weeks DD.
11 September, 11/9.
Back to mention for listing of the motion item regarding page 4 exam Maidan. So that will suddenly locked down by the deputy commissioner. Then
Lockdown only.
In the gate election closed. Now all the activities have been restrained.
Okay.
Tomorrow,
Tomorrow.
my lord,
Okay, tomorrow.
May please, your lord. I'd like to mention item number 7, my lord. In this matter, my lord, I have instruction to withdraw this matter, my lord. Item number 7, my lord.
Okay. What happened?
No, my lord, I don't know, my lord. They are not interested, my lord.
Okay, item number 7 to Diok.
7.
Mr. P. Shundi, Learned Counsel for the petitioners, has submitted that he has received instruction from his clients not to press the writ petition. Full stop. Mr. A. Borosaiji, Learned Standing Counsel, Revenue Department for the respondent number 1, and Mr. N. Das, Learned Junior Government Advocate for the respondent number 2 and 3 are present. In view of the above submission made by Mr. Shundi, Learned Counsel for the petitioners, the petition is dismissed as not pressed.
Much obliged.
and we find that reasons the meter, the additional will become of
May please, your lordship. My lord, I beg to mention item number 25 to 28, my lord. I'm appearing for the respondent. No, I'm awaiting certain instructions, my lord.
25 to
28.
8.
Yes.
Yes. That we'll see.
And I am for the respondent. They are.
You are for
I am
respondent?
for the respondent, my lord. My learned friend, Mr. Dubey, is for the petitioner.
Which one? That one.
The PF matter.
Assam
my
tea
lord.
plantation.
Yes, my lord.
Your
Okay.
lordship, I am for the petitioners in matter 26 to 28.
Who is the petitioner in item 25? Okay. R. Dubey, Learned Counsel for the petitioner in 25. And who else?
Timor on behalf of GST.
D. Moore.
Timor.
T. Moore. Learned Counsel for the petitioners in 26, 27, 28.
Yes.
And Mr. S. Dr. Learned Counsel for the applicant in IA Civil 3704-2025 are present. First of Mr.
J. Bora.
J. Bora, Learned Standing Counsel.
Standing counsel.
ATP.
ATEPFO.
ATEPFO.
P.
Has Why you are seeking adjournment?
My lord, our direction was there from your lordship to bring how we came to that calculation. So we have
Okay.
written to Dibrugarh, we are awaiting that, my lord.
Okay, I have submitted that he is awaiting instruction. He is awaiting instruction from the office to place the calculation in deference to the previous order of this court, and has submitted that he needs further.
My lord,
How much time?
my lord, my learned friend, senior counsel S. Doctor had requested me for 25th of August.
How much time you require?
My lord, maximum 15 days.
Okay. 2 weeks time. He needs 2 weeks time to complete his instruction in view of the submission made by Mr. Bora, standing counsel, so list the cases.
28 August, 2808.
The interim orders, wherever passed earlier, shall continue till the next date of listing.
Obliged.
My mathematical item number 21. I will to withdraw the same which are liberal to file a face. Some new facts are there.
21, Mr. D.K. Das, learned counsel for the petition, has submitted that in view of subsequent developments.
Yes, yes.
In view of subsequent developments.
Some documents are not in record, my lord.
In view of subsequent developments and need for bringing certain relevant documents on record, the petitioner wants to withdraw the petition with liberty. Standing counsel finance, anybody is there? Okay, in view of the above submission made by Mr. So-and-so, the writ petition is dismissed and withdrawal with liberty as sought for.
Like,
Item number 13 of today's hearing on behalf of the financial. Personal difficulty on the matter. I will try and make it.
Okay. On the request of Mr. M. Beria, learned counsel appearing for the petition, the case is passed over for the day. You have informed the other side? Huh? Okay.
Because I think it's 16, 18 and 19 a lot. This matter is organization bench, so the bench four matter a lot. So where the wood based regulation.
Okay. What is the issue?
The issue, sir, they close down their shop, for which they are registered under the wood based regulation from 22 years old. That's their
Bench 4.
yes, bench four.
Okay. Mr. A. Ahmed, learned counsel for the petitioner, and Mr. R. Gogoi, learned standing counsel for Forest Department. Mr. N. Das, learned junior advocate for the state. Respondent have submitted that the subject matter of this writ petition pertains to bench 4. The registry to verify the same and thereafter place the case accordingly before the appropriate dates. 16?
16, 18 and 19.
18 and 19.
May I play one thing, Your Lordship? Similar matter has been fixed on Friday.
Friday.
I cannot direct.
Very well, Lordship.
Yes.
Daily list for withdrawal, item 1.
Yes.
I have the instruction to withdraw the
You are Mr.
K. Kaishab Lordship.
Mr. K. Kashyap, learned counsel for the petitioner, has submitted that he has received instruction from the petitioner to withdraw the petition. Mr. A. Bhattasaiji, Revenue 1, and Mr. N. Das, Junior Government Assam for the respond number 2 and 3 are present in view of the above submission made by Mr. Kashyap, learned counsel for the petitioner. Which is dismissed on the thread.
Supplementary list, item 44.
Lordship, this matter become infructuous.
Okay, Mr. S.I. Agar, learned counsel for the petition, has submitted that the subject matter of the writ petition has become infructuous. Mr. A. Bhattasaiji, Revenue 1 and DAS 3, 4, 5 are present in view of the above submission made by so and so. Writ petition is dismissed as infructuous.
Item 45.
Lordship here, order dated 13/6/2026, passing WBC number 7.
Complied.
Yes, Lordship. Complied.
Mr. S.I. Akal, learned counsel for the petitioner, has submitted that the direction in the order dated 13/2/2026, passed in WBC number 733/2026, alleging non-compliance of which the present contempt petition is filed, has since been complied with. Therefore, the contempt petition be closed. In view of the above submission made by Mr. Akand, learned counsel for the petitioner, the contempt petition stands closed.
46.
Same.
Same.
Order date same, but the date petition.
Order to silo waiver.
7/5. Keep it.
Daily list for motion. Item number 2.
Even the other paying guarantees have been renewed till November 2026. The balance 6 have also been now renewed till November 2020.
Okay. So,
Nothing.
cause of
further-
action to proceed further with the petition.
Nothing.
Yes,
Okay, survives.
Heard Mr. K. Talukdar, learned counsel for the petitioner. M. Sharma, learned counsel for the response number 2, 4, and 6.
Yes, sir.
And Mr. N. Khera, learned counsel for the response number 3, virtual mode. And Mr. A. Parvez, learned counsel for the response number 5 are present. Mr. K. Talukdar, learned counsel for the petitioner, has submitted that in view of subsequent developments, the cause of action for which the writ petition was filed, is no longer in existence. And therefore, he does not want to, the petition does not want to praise the writ petition. Right? Yes. Full stop. In view of the learned counsel for the respondents have submitted that they have no objection to the request made by the learned counsel for the petition. In view of the above submission made by Ms. Talder, learned counsel for the petition, the petition is closed.
I'm with.
Highly obliged, my lord.
Daily list item number 3. And item 52 of supplementary list.
Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of Mr. R. Sharma. Lordship, in terms of the last order, we have filed an IA for implement and
Okay.
amendment.
Yes, Mr. Das, anything?
No, Lordship.
Your good name, please.
M. Kakoti.
Heard Heard Miss M. Kakoti, learned counsel for the applicant. Mr. R. M. Das, Lordship, learned standing counsel, social justice and empowerment department, government of Assam, for the opposite party number 1, 3. 4 also?
4 also, Lordship.
4 also. And Mr. N. Das, learned junior government advocate Assam, for the opposite party number 2. CGC and Ms. P. Borua, learned central government council.
2678.
Okay, 2678. And Ms. P. Borua, learned central government council, for the response number opposite party number 5. Full stop. Para. This application is filed by the opposite applicant seeking implement of any address. Tell us the address.
At present, I don't have.
Huh?
I don't have any address, Lordship, regarding this one.
Lordship, we have asked the client to provide the address.
Without the address, how can we?
Lordship, he'll provide the address. I will,
Oh, it is not like that. Mr. Arandas, you will be in a position
Lordship,
to provide the address.
I will, if they fail, I will.
No, I have to put it in the record
then I have to ask the department, Lordship, because right now I don't have.
Because you have issued the memorandum.
Yes, yes, we have, Lordship.
Then
Definitely.
you must be knowing the address.
Definitely, Lordship.
And they have not been able to show. And
Then Lordship may give me some time so that I can.
I'll pass the order, but in the meantime,
Yes, yes,
I will finalize.
Yes, yes, I will.
Seeking implement of Sah জনজাতি জাতীয় সন্মিলনী আসাম অসম ASOM Central Committee. Central Committee. That's address. As party respondent number 9 in the accompanying writ petition. First of para. The applicant as the writ petitioner has preferred the accompanying writ petition. Seeking a direction, seeking entirely a direction to the district commissioner, Punitpur, to issue a caste certificate in continuation of the petitioner's previous caste certificate dated 15/6/2020, wherein the petitioner has been recognized as MOBC, or recognized as Koiri X Tea Garden Labor Tribe, within bracket XTGL, which is recognized as more other backward class, within bracket MOBC. Full stop. Where it is stated that during the course of deliberation, a notification dated 29/3/2022 issued by the Welfare of 10 Tribes and Backward Classes Department, Assam, Government of Assam, has been placed. Post of, as per the notification dated 29/3/2022, by the notification dated says, the Governor of Assam has authorized the President and General Secretary of the Central Committee and its District Committee of Sah Janajati Jatiyo Sonnmiloni Assam two. This notification is vague. To endorse, to give his endorsement prior to issuance of the caste certificate. First off, in that view of the matter, it is stated that in view of the notification dated so and so, it is averred that in view of the notification dated so and so, implement of the said implement of the organization, comma, Sah Jonajati Jatiyo Halminioni, Ahom, has become necessary for adjudication of the issues involved in the accompanying petition. First of, where the Learned Counsel appearing for the opposite parties have submitted that they have no objection to the request made on behalf of the applicant read petitioner for implement first of, in view of the having considered the contents of the notification dated 29/3/2022 and the statements and amendments made in this application, this court is of the considered view that the Sah Janazari Jatiyo Hamlin Ahom, unquote, is a necessary party for adjudication of the issues involved in the accompanying petitions. First of, therefore, the instant application stands allowed. The petitioner, the applicant petitioner, is to file an amended cost title in terms of the notification dated so and so in 2 working days from today. By tomorrow?
Lordship, the amendment also may be allowed in terms as per clause 5. We want to make amendment of, we want to insert paragraph 10A and a prayer clause. In my IA, I've stated in paragraph 5, that may be also allowed.
Madam, 2 things are different. That is amendment to the writ petition.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Where is Mr. Sharma?
Lordship, he's on legs.
Implement is different thing, amendment is different thing.
Lordship.
You are clubbing multiple issues. This is to be heard. Then you have to file a amended writ petition.
Yes, sir.
Yes, what do you say?
Once it has been implemented, amendment will necessarily come, but application should.
No, paragraph, they want insertion of 2 paragraphs.
Yes, my lord.
Each better.
Sah Mazdur, Sah Janajati Jatiyo Samah also will be implemented. Ultimately, they will have to amend the writ petition, my lord. That's why order 6, rule 17 is different. Order 1, rule 10 to my lord, implement is different.
Otherwise, they could
Once
have
this is-
withdrawn this petition and file a fresh one.
Fresh
Lordship.
one, my lord. That will be.
That will be.
Yes, please. Multiple or can it be permitted? Can be, but because it is a writ proceeding is not strictly bound by CPC. So we can permit. First of,
Only my lord, that may be reflected, we verbally objected. We verbally objected.
what objection? Writ petition. Not CPC. Otherwise, I have to read one more paragraph. That writ proceeding is not strictly bound by the provisions of CPC. Why waste? In addition to the prayer for implement, the applicant writ petition has sought amendment in the writ petition by way of insertion of 2 paragraphs as paragraph number by insertion of a paragraph as paragraph number 10A and also you could have filed 2 insertion of an additional prayer as prayer F. Full stop. The amendments sought as paragraph 10A in the repetition as prayer F in the repetition are quoted in paragraph 5 of the instant application. Full stop. Para. The learned counsel for preparing for the opposite parties have submitted that since the amendment in paragraph 10 and prayer since the amendment sought by way of insertion of paragraph 10 and prayer F to the repetition is connected with the prayer for implement of party response number 9, comma, they have no objection to the prayer for amendment. Full stop. Para. Then amended cost title not required. Amended cost title is not required. The
It will come as response number.
now they will be filing an amended repetition.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
amended
Not required, Lordship.
a paragraph to Badjo, in terms of notification number so and so. In view of as the prayers are allowed, the applicant repetitioner is you have complicated the everything. You could have filed that entire repetition itself. The applicant, in view of the as the prayers are allowed, the applicant repetitioner shall file an amended repetition which Assam so and so as party response number 9 and by inserting paragraph 10A and prayer F in the amended repetition within 3 working days from today.
Obliged.
List, restricted list thereafter. After you do it, then make a mention.
Obliged.
Main to main to
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, there are some inadvertent error on our part, my lord, with respect to our affidavit in opposition, my lord. Point number 1 to 5 has not been annexed here, my lord. We may be allowed to rectify it and file it by today itself, my lord.
Okay.
Some urgency, can the matter be taken up tomorrow or day after?
Sir, there are other cases also lined up. I tried to expedite. It is, and this court is this week rising early. So you are not the only one who is having urgency. So file it today.
Today, my lord.
Let us have it on Monday. Heard Mr. S. Das, learned counsel for the petitioner. A.K. Chaudhary, learned central government counsel for the response number 1. And Mr. H. Borua, learned counsel on behalf of Mr. B. Gogoi, learned standing counsel finance and taxation department for the response number 2 and 3. They are the party. Mr. Borua has submitted that though a counter affidavit was filed on behalf of the response number 2 and 3, but their certain defects were detected, and therefore he needs 1 day time till tomorrow to rectify those defects. In view of the above, let the case be listed on Monday in the motion floor with the affidavit, counter affidavit of the respondent authorities on record.
10th August. Item 5.
May it please your lordship, for the time being pass over the matter.
Six. Item 6.
Sharma is not there. Okay, let him be there.
Item number 8.
Wait, please. In this case, my lord, the petitioner, my lord. In the
Just a minute.
strength of the degree of the civil court, my lord,
Just a minute.
sale deed has been executed.
Just a minute.
My lord, sorry.
Okay, where is the impugn order?
147.
My lord, there is no impugn order as such, my lord. The mutation has been cancelled, my lord.
Page.
Page for types copy is, my lord, for 44, my lord. Simply by making a note, my lord, mutation has been cancelled, my lord, without passing any order.
Just a minute. Just.
Appeal hobo naki? 147.
The degree of the court.
No, Hussein. Bahadur Dangi. They were the defendants.
My lord.
At
My
their
lord. My lord, they are the defendants.
insistence, at their behest, this has been cancelled.
My lord, application has been my lord,
Restored the name. Restored the name of. Yes, Mr.
Well, it's an appealable order.
There is no order.
No.
Since
Firstly,
his mutation has been cancelled without.
Firstly, come to page 10. See the name of the plaintiff
Yes, my lord, is.
and the defendants. And contested?
Yes, my lord.
Contested. Decree or operative part?
21.
Order, page 18.
18, my lord.
Decreed, ex parte.
My lord, exporting.
Is there any appeal
No, my lord.
by them?
No, my lord.
Then decree has been executed.
My lord. Sale deed has been executed.
21.
At page 24, sale deed is.
Mutation has been granted.
Thereafter,
Mutation granted.
my lord.
Thereafter, what business he has?
That's what
Circle
mentioned.
officer to restore the name. If
Okay, mal, I'll get the instruction. I'll get the instruction.
you get the instruction, it is okay. Otherwise, you have to stay and prolong the matter.
Otherwise, he's got a decree.
And sale
mutation
has been
also.
executed.
Yes, my lord.
Then
Mutation
after
also has
mutation
been
done.
granted. And
Then
without
how
notice.
Without notice, how can he revisit that mutation?
I'll leave it to lordship.
He could have referred the matter to the higher authority. Because he cannot sit in appeal over his own order
Yes.
and civil court decree.
My lord.
This is administrative access, overreach.
Beyond jurisdiction.
Heard Mr. P. Shundi, learned counsel for the petitioner. Mr. A. Aforesaid, learned standing counsel, Revenue Department for the one number 1. And Mr. N. Das, learned junior government advocate of some for the respond number 2 and 3. Goes to para. It is the case of the petitioner that he entered into an agreement for sale of land, agreement for sale of a plot of land, which the respondent number
4 and 5.
4 and 5 on 23/2/2021. Which at an agreed consideration of rupees 12 lakh.
Right.
Full stop. The plot of land is 1 bigha 3 kathas, comma, covered by Dag number 23 under periodic patta number 18, comma, situate at village Amola Palm, Mouza Holeswar, district Sonitpur, Assam. Subject not for sort. Full stop. In view of subsequent events, the petitioner had to institute a title suit, comma, title suit number 79 of 2024, with the respondent number 4 and 5 herein as the two defendants, comma, before the Court of Learned Civil Judge,
Senior degree.
within bracket Senior Division, Sonitpur, Tezpur, for the with the subject plot as the suit land, full stop, by a judgment dated 16/6/2025, comma, the suit was decreed ex parte for specific performance of the contract for sale of the suit land to the petitioner plus plaintiff, directing the defendants to execute the registered sale deed in favor of the plaintiff petitioner at rupees 12 lakh by accepting the balance consideration. Full stop. A decree was accordingly drawn up on 24/6/2025 by the trial court. Subsequently, comma, the registered sale deed for the subject plot was registered on
25/11/2025.
11/2025. Full stop. After registration of the sale deed, the name of the petitioner was mutated in the revenue records by a mutation order dated 7/5/2026 by an order of the respondent number 3.
Mal-
By a mutation order dated 7/5/2023, comma, passed by the respondent number 3 in mutation case number, page 35. In respect of the subject plot as per the decree of the learned trial court. Post of para. The petitioner has approached this court. The petitioner stated it is the case of the petitioner that he is in possession.
Yes, ma'am.
Presently, he is in possession of the subject plot. Post of. The petitioner has stated para. What is 43? 1
My lord,
Mohammad Shah Jahan Alam Sarkar,
my lord, I don't know him, my lord. He
Ah.
filed this application, my lord.
A stranger,
My lord.
Come
As
on.
per me, my lord.
submitted an application seeking cancellation of the mutation made in respect of the subject plot in favor of the petitioner. A miscase. On the basis of the said application, a miscase was registered. Miscase. On the basis of the said application, miscase number 105 stroke 2025-26 was registered wherein the petitioner was made the opposite party. Post of the respondent number 3 had thereafter issued a notice to the petitioner for hearing. Petitioner as the opposite party for a hearing on 25/5/2026. Did you appear?
I went to appear, but my lord, I was just told to sign and.
Okay.
send that, my lord.
So according to petitioner, no hearing took place on the date of hearing 25/5/2026. Post of. The petitioner has come to learn subsequently that the mutation order dated 7/5/2026 previously passed by the respondent number 3 has been cancelled by a subsequent by the respondent number 3 by a subsequent order dated 19/5/2026. Correct? 19/5/2026.
My lord, perhaps it speaks about earlier.
Subsequently
My lord.
cancelled.
My lord.
And the respondent number 3 had surreptitiously restored the names of the respondent number 4 and 5 as patadars in respect of the subject plot. Post of aggrieved thereby, the petition is approached this court by the present petition. Issue notice returnable on so and so as Mr. PROCEEDINGS and Mr. Das. 1, option 2 and 3. Extra copies, steps 7, 4 and 5 by speed post, having regard to the position made by the position made in this writ petition and having considered the materials brought on record, including the judgment and decree of the trial court and the register sealed it and a mediation order, comma, it privacy appears that it is privacy appears at our line. Mr. Sundi has submitted that there is no other proceeding, comma, to the knowledge of the petitioner, challenging the judgment and decree of the trial court. There is no other proceeding pending to the knowledge of the petitioner. So, as on date, against the judgment and decree dated of the learned trial court in title suit number so and so. It primarily appears that the respondent number 3 has exercised the jurisdiction without exercise his jurisdiction, has cancelled the mediation made earlier in favor of the petitioner in respect of the subject law, and the same appears to be an act beyond his jurisdiction. It is therefore ordered in the interim that the cancellation order made by the respondent number 3 in respect of the subject law by cancelling the mutation order dated 7/5/2025 for restoration of the names of the respondent number 4 and 5 shall remain state
Much of.
until further orders.
11 September, 11/09.
So get the instruction, Mr.
I'll get. Couple of questions. Can it be after 2-3 days?
16 September.
Much of.
Item 9.
Yes, Mr. Song, what is this?
Lordship, the petitioner has pronounced 3 talaks. And accordingly, Lordship thereafter he filed an application before the sub-register of the marriage and divorce that has not yet been registered. That is his case. 3 talak is applicable or not till date.
I
That
don't know the
is
law.
why.
There is no representation on behalf of the petitioner today on call. Mr. A. Sharma, learned additional senior government advocate.
3 and 4.
A for Saji revenue 1 and 2.
3 and 4.
So and so 3 and 4 are present in view of non-representation on behalf of the petition. In view of the absence, in view of the absence of the learned counsel for the petition, let the case be cases pass over for the.
Item 10.
Yes.
Wait, please, Mr. Lawson. My lord, in 2 occasions, my lord, petitioner has submitted application before this respondent authority, my
Legal error.
lord.
Legal error.
My lord, local certification application, my lord.
What is this local certification application?
My lord, there is a mandatory for my lord.
What is this local certification? Which provision? Any provision is there?
My lord, in practical, my lord, they are my lord issue my lord local means certificate, my lord, or legal here certificate.
Yes, Mr. Revenue. Any idea? Local. I have.
My lord, page number 12, my lord. My application. My lord.
Use page number 12 is legal error.
My lord.
Legal error, I think, is a notified public service also. It cannot be municipally board. Legal error.
No, municipally, my lord.
What you want? You have asked for legal error certificate to the municipality board.
My lord.
Whether that authority is authorized.
No, my lord, there is a my lord some requirement document, my lord, for obtaining my lord next skill certificate, my lord. My lord,
Let us see then page 11. I have the honor to include. I have the legal error survey as per affidavit given below to produce below the judicial magistrate and circle officer. This is your application.
my lord. My lord, kindly come to paragraph 4, my lord. I am stating here, my lord. Paragraph 4, my lord.
Paragraph 4.
4, my lord. That the petitioner begged to state that
There is some land property.
some land property wherein her late father is original belonging. And as such,
I can understand. Next of kin certificate.
my lord, next consists certificate following the document requirement, my lord. Death certificate, my lord. Relationship proof documents, my lord. Identity proof, my lord. And self-declaration affidavit, my lord. And also local certification issued by the Gauhati or ward member, my lord.
So local certificate Gauhati or ward member.
Ward member.
Why you are asking for municipality?
My lord, chairman, my lord. The municipal chair.
Who? Mr. I don't know. Page
12.
Page 12. See,
My
ward commissioner has signed.
My lord.
He can very well certify also local certification
But
by
my
ward member. What is
No.
the role of?
No, my lord. He only my lord আবেদনকারী বিষয় উত্তরাধিকারী প্রমাণপত্র ভাবে no what for data.
What is the application for local certification? Where is the application?
Application, my lord. Page number 16 and my lord 12 is my application.
16.
My lord.
Is মৃত্যু হয় উত্তরাধিকারী উত্তরাধিকারী is legal error. উত্তরাধিকারী is
So what member দিয়া না স্যার ওই
we can issue notice, Mr. Counsel. if your paragraph 4 is correct,
my lord.
death certificate is by
I annex here, my lord. That certificate also
Health
verified with,
Department. Relationship proof document, that is, I think,
my lord, marriage certificate is enough.
Huh?
Marriage certificate.
huh,
My lord.
identity proof, there is difference. Self-declaration affidavit
Right.
is different.
My lord, any,
Local certification issued by Gambura or ward member.
my lord. They fall under any other documents, my lord.
It is up to you.
Right.
You might have been wasting time here, we don't know. Since you have
My lord.
made the assertion, but where is your application for local certification to the municipal board?
My lord, they have, my lord, already, this is the, my lord.
Where? You are asking for legal error certificate. You want what? Let us see your prayer.
My lord.
Which thing you want? Legal error certificate or local certification?
My lord, legal hair certificate, my lord, but certified by the local authority, my lord. Then, my lord, I apply before the, my lord, the concerned DC, my lord.
Okay,
My lord, only my application may be disposed of by the authority. My lord. He is sitting over.
where is the application?
Page number 16 is my application, my lord.
That is legal error. And we know,
My lord.
we know.
My lord.
I do not want to ridicule myself also at the same time.
My lord.
We know that legal error certificates are issued by the district commission.
My lord.
Law is settled.
My lord. Right, my lord.
Right. Government notification is there.
Yes, yes.
Right.
Right, my lord.
So that is why I do not want to ridicule myself also.
Right.
Yes, Mr. Aforesaid.
Yes, that is it.
So you are asking the municipality board or ward commissioner to issue a legal error certificate or next of kin certificate, whatever. They are not authorized to issue. That is why I am. Otherwise, I don't have any inhibition to issue notice.
My lord, that's why, my lord, I am, my lord, stating in my, lord, petition, my lord, local certification, my lord, for obtaining legal hair certificate, my lord.
Where is the approach to ward commissioner then?
My lord, I approach, my lord, page number 16 and 12.
Where is that? Legal error. Because I have to be privacy convinced. Page 16 is Uttoradhikari Praman Patra,
My lord.
meaning they have a legal error
Legal error
certificate,
certificate.
which can only be issued by
DC, my lord.
district. Now, let us have the notification, mister. If there is any requirement for filing an application for legal error, after some time.
Right.
Because the direction which is impracticable, why should I? Huh? Next of kin. What is next of kin?
Now, next of kin certificate, my lord, the designated public servant is additional deputy commissioner, nominated by DC ESC. And the appellate authority is DC.
And document is death certificate of the deceased person,
My lord.
valid documents showing relationship with the deceased person,
My lord.
and self declaration affidavit.
Affidavit. Yes.
And it is next of kin certificate. Additional deputy commissioner nominated by DC or equivalent officer appointed by SDO. And designate and appellate authority is deputy commissioner.
Yes.
My lord, this document fell under, my lord, any other document, my lord, which is practically is very required. Local
So
certificate.
he has to apply through online.
Next, what do you want? Next of kin certificate.
No, my lord. I want, my lord, for the from the respondent local certification.
Okay,
My lord. Well, only
I don't know. So petitioner has asserted that municipal board is the authority to issue what? Local certificate.
certification.
Heard Mr.
HP Gwala.
HP Gwala and counsel for the petitioner. Post up. The petitioner has asserted that, but where is your local serving application?
My lord, miss.
Well, against whom he is came,
I don't know.
page 3, when they of party.
Respondent number 2, my lord, and my lord 4, my lord.
Chairman is not a government.
What is your application for local certificate?
My lord,
Please show us.
my lord, he mistakenly written a legal certificate, my lord, but my lord.
No, where is your application? How then mistakenly the chairman is sitting over the matter because he does not have the authority to issue
My lord,
legal error certificate.
there's a note for my lord, the,
That Mr. Gwala, you are asking too much in the writ petition.
my lord, kindly, my lord, come
What
to
is
the
this?
page number 12, my lord. He's forwarded to the.
I have seen it. I have read the Assamese,
My lord.
the sentence
Right.
read by what commissioner? Where is your application for local certificate?
My lord, I will, my lord. My lord,
I have never come across. Have you come across local certificate?
certificate is a record.
Because Mr. Gwala, all these applications you have annexed to the writ petition.
My lord,
Don't test my patience also
my lord.
at the same time. All these applications are for legal error certificate.
Yes, my lord.
And government notification is there, legal error for legal error certificate is a district commissioner.
My lord,
Nowhere you have annexed any application seeking local certificate
my lord,
to any of the respondents. Where is that?
my lord.
So you mistakenly mentioned legal error certificate. So it is presumed that he will understand.
Right.
You are asking for local certificate. I am with you.
My lord.
Being a successor of your husband.
My lord.
But where is that application?
I'll file my lord prepared application.
Mr. You go through the repetition, find out, you apprise the court. I have not found anything. Even if I want, I cannot. There is no application for local certificate. All applications are for legal error certificate.
My
Next,
lord,
let him examine.
Item 11.
Lordship, it is a matter of Goalpara Hasila bill. Your Lordship, it's a death case, your Lordship. The petitioner's mother had died in the makeshift camp, your Lordship. And similar matter is pending, your Lordship. Similar matter is pending, your
Compensation
compensation
for death.
That's it.
What is the case?
Lordship.
Is pending?
Yes, your Lordship. WBC 6413-25.
Huh? Heard Mr.
M.H. Ali.
M.H. Halilani counsel for the petition. Mr. A. Shomal and additional senior government advocate. Some for the respondent number 1,
4 and 5.
4 and 5. Mr. A. Aforesaid learned standing counsel revenue and disaster management department for the respondent number 2 and Ms. D. Bora learned standing counsel health and family welfare department for the respondent number 3 and 6. Post of. The petitioner has stated that the family of the petitioner was evicted. Without following due procedure of law, by the respondent authorities on which date?
16/6/25, your Lordship.
16/6/2025. Post of. On being so evicted, the petitioner, family of the petitioner had to take shelter in a makeshift camp. Post of. Makeshift camp, whose condition was not conducive for living, as it was without safe drinking water, sanitation and medication, medical facilities, etc. Post of. During such stay in the makeshift camp, the petitioner's mother, late Noorjahan, fell critically ill and died on 27/5/2026 in the Maxif camp. Full stop. Seeking adequate, seeking compensation. Attributing the death of the petitioner's mother to such inhumane condition in the Maxif camp, the petitioner has sought compensation from the state. The issue notice returnable on so-and-so, as so-and-so appear accepted. No formal notice, extra copies within 2 hours.
11 September. 1109.
Lordship has issue notice, Lordship.
The other one also.
Lordship.
Item 12.
Lordship, petitioner in this case is the holder of diploma in medicine and rural health care. But in the year 2021, Lordship, he lost some of the documents.
Which department?
Health and Family Welfare Department.
Yes, where is Miss Bora?
Lordship, I am appearing.
Oh, you are there.
Notice.
Will issue notice?
Yes,
Heard Mr. U.S. Bora, Learning Counsel for the petition, and Mr. D. Upamanyu, Learning Standing Counsel, Health and Family Welfare Department for all the respondents.
Yes, Lordship.
Full stop. Para. The petitioner stated that in the year 2021, he lost his original education, original documents relating to
Diploma in
medicine and rural healthcare, which include the original diploma certificate, mark sheets, admit cards, provisional certificates, provisional registration certificates, and other records, etc. Para 3. Full stop. A report in that connection, the petitioner lost the report, lost an information before the officer in charge Nalbari Police Station, and Nalbari Police Station, after inquiry, issued a police report dated 21/8/2021. Post. Thereafter, the petitioner submitted a representation before the respondent number 3 on 4/5/2022, requesting issuance of duplicates in respect of the aforementioned documents. Post op. There is also a subsequent representation on 29/7/2025. Aggrieved by non-response, the petitioner has approached this court by the present petition. Issue notice returnable on so-and-so. As Mr. Upamanyu has appeared accepted notice on behalf of all the respondents, no formal notice, extra copies. Where the respondent authorities are to file their counter affidavit, recording the reason as to why the petitioners application stroke representations are not considered till date. Representations requesting duplicate copies of his academic testimonials are not considered showing regions.
Lordship.
11 September. Item 14.
Please a lot. On the freezing of bank account, my lord. Disputed amount, my lord, 3 lakhs.
Heard Mr. R. Ali.
Lordship, I am appearing for the older respondent.
All.
Yes.
One also. You represent ICICI or what?
No, Lordship, Canara Bank. Yes, Lordship. So, Motiu Rahman.
Hmm?
Yes.
Yes, Lordship from Motiu Rahman.
Where is Motiur Rahman?
ICICI Bank. I was, yes,
Huh?
Lordship, I was confused. Lordship.
in this case, that is why.
No, I was.
Who is appearing? Mr. Ali is appearing.
Lordship, I was confused. No, I went to another.
You are bank or what?
Yes, I am appearing for the bank.
Bank.
For
23. ICICI.
ICICI Bank, yes.
You are? Union of India. Heard Mr. Ali learned counsel for the petitioner. So can you get the instruction?
Yes, Lordship.
Huh?
Next date, Lordship. Short date maybe.
Mr. CGC, your good name, please.
S. Chandra.
F. Chanda. Learned Central Government Council for the response number 1. Mr.
A. Hussain.
A. Yusuf.
A. Hussain on behalf of M.
Hussain.
Sharma.
On behalf of?
M. Sharma.
Okay, M. Sharma. Learned Counsel for the response number 2 and 3. And Mr. H. Sharma, learned additional senior government advocate for the response number 4. First of the petitioner stated that he has been maintaining a current bank account number so and so at Kualkusi branch of respondent ICICI Bank Limited. Okay, formally clear. Yes, possible to get instruction in the next week, then we can.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
We will take the instructions.
Okay. No need to issue notice.
Yes, sir. Maybe your worship.
Need to issue notice or no?
No, your worship. I think it's a bank freezing matter, so we'll take the instructions and.
Okay. It is a case of the petition that he has been maintaining a current bank account number so and so at Hualkusi branch of the respondent ICICI Bank Limited within bracket respond number 3 since August 2023. Post of. It is stated that as on date, the petitioner has a balance of rupees 41,90,720 in the said bank account. Post of. However, since March 2022, the petitioner has not been able to operate the said bank account due to debit freeze instruction. Allegedly for receipt of a complaint regarding a suspicious transaction stroke credit amounting to rupees 3 lakh. Post of on inquiry, the petitioner has been informed that the debit freeze instruction has been placed on the basis of on receipt of a complaint from Cyber Police Station, Maharashtra on 22/02/2024. Post of para. Mr. Sharma, Land Council appearing for the respondent number 2 and 3 has submitted that he will make endeavor to obtain instruction regarding the cyber complaint on the basis of which the debit freeze instruction has been placed in respect of the bank account of the petitioner and the amount mentioned in the said amount mentioned in the said cyber crime complaint.
I'll take.
Mr. Ali, Land Council Board of Petitioners shall furnish an extra copy of the repetition to Mr. Sharma along with the annexer to Mr. Sharma during the course of the day as sought from Mr. Sharma leaves the case on so and so.
Thanks.
Show me the date. Tell me the date.
Your worship, after 1 week, maybe coming up on next Wednesday.
Okay.
12:08. Item 15.
Contractor.
Two contractor done by
Contractor case.
Lordship,
5 or means 4?
Lordship, as per my telephonic instructions which I have received today, there is some anomalies. the petitioner, along with some departmental officials of our department, has fabricated this comparative statement regarding the work, and for which the amount of the work has been
What is the subject matter? Contract, related to contract.
related to contract
Bench
and
4 or bench 5?
oh, bench 5.
Bench 4, my lord.
Huh? Contract money or something related to contract, and thereafter pending bill, security deposit,
Security deposit.
whatever. This is a subject matter of bench 4.
Lordship.
Yes, madam?
Four.
Okay. K.R. Patikiri, Learned Counsel for a petition, and Mr. R.M. Das, Learned Standing Counsel, Water Resources
Water resource. Lordship.
Department, for the state respondents have submitted that the subject matter of repetition pertains to bench 4. Also, in view of the above submission, the registry to verify and thereafter to list the case before the appropriate case.
Lordship.
Oblige.
Item number 17.
Lordship, the petitioner before your lordship has been possessing a plot of land measuring 3 bigha 1 katha since 1994-1995, and I have been paying, it was a government land, your lordship, and I have been paying all the taxes. Then subsequently, what happened on 5/10/2021, the land advisory committee allotted that particular plot of land in my name, your lordship, and I have paid the premium to that effect, your lordship. Then subsequently on 30/7/2026, the circle officer came and evicted me without serving any notice or without following the procedure.
Evicted or you are out now?
I am out, your lordship. I have annexed the photographs, your lordship. I have been bulldozed, your lordship.
Madam, at least that the lady has got the right of entry into the government plot. Right of entry to the government plot. It is unlike other encroachers who keep coming to the court. This petition at least,
Lordship,
there is a decision of the
Annexer 3B
land
advisory
committee to
Serial number
allot.
374.
Thereafter, you receive the premium. So, why you have evicted? Demolish this
Yes,
bulldozer picture?
Yes, sir. The pictures are there.
That is serious invasion. Bulldozer justice. If to page 24,
The circle officer himself, he was present on that day. Your lordship.
you should have made him party by
Yes,
name.
we have made him.
Ah.
That's one number 3 is the circle officer.
Now he is official, okay. Yes, what to do? His photo, which one at page 25?
Lordship.
With the mobile?
Yes, your lordship.
Huh?
Maybe, your lordship. I am not sure, your lordship. But there were officials.
Now, is there any activity now?
No, your lordship. It was lying vacant.
And where are you?
I'm residing in another relative house.
Because at least, huh?
So I have prayed for an interim order to no further coercive action. Your lordship.
So far, allotment of land to some other. Something is going on there.
Something is there, some powerful person maybe.
Lordship, because since last 2021, I have paid my premium. And now in 2026, I have filed a representation saying that that particular land may be mutated in my name. After submission of that representation, all of a sudden they have taken that step, your lordship.
Some powerful
21 to
hand.
26, your lordship, there was nothing. I was peacefully possessing the land.
Bulldozer justice. Heard Mr. P. G. Bodole, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Miss Anne Bordolo. Miss Bordolo, you have serious thing on hand.
Land revenue has, premium has already been paid, Your Lordship.
And this bulldozer,
Yes, Your Lordship.
big compensation.
Sir, Lordship.
And M. Bordolo. And M. Bormon, Junior Government Advocate Assam for the response number 2 inch. Huh? 1 revenue. Para. The petitioner has stated that she was in possession of a plot of land measuring 3 bighas and 1 katha, comma, covered by
Tab number 2, Your Lordship.
Dag number 2, within bracket, part, comma, at Revenue Village, Tengapur, part 2,
Part 2.
comma, Dhemaji Revenue Circle, District Dhemaji, Assam, subject for. Since the year 1994-1995, Post-op. The petitioner constructed her dwelling house and other structures on the subject plot with bamboo fencing on the boundary. Post-op. The petitioner has been paying. Toji Bahira,
Lordship, page 12, Your Lordship.
12. This TB or what? Let us see the Assamese one.
Assamese page 13, Your Lordship.
Has been paying revenue for a subject plot since the year 2020, 2004-2005. And the office of the respondent number 2 had duly acknowledged the receipt of land revenue for the subject plot. Post-op. You made application or what? The subdivisional land advisory committee
Meeting held on
in its meeting on
5.
held on 5/10/2021, comma, under the chairmanship of the respondent number 2, comma, considered the case of the petitioner and consider the proposals for allotment of land of different applicants. Post-op. The SDLAC had recommended settlement or allotment? Settlement. Settlement of the subject plot in favor of the petitioner. Post-op. Accordingly, comma, the petitioner deposited the premium amount of rupees 1,600 at rupees 500 per bigha for the subject lot. Any notification?
No, Your Lordship.
Something is mentioned.
Lordship, it's mentioned in the department notification, yes.
Post-op. After deposit of the premium, the petitioner made application before the respondent number 3 on 29/5/2026. for incorporation of her name in the record of rights in respect of the subject plot. Full stop. But the respondent number 3, instead of considering the application for incorporation of, considering the request made in the application, comma, proceeded to demolish the house and the structure, comma, constructed by the petitioner over the subject plot, comma, on 30/7/2026 with bulldozers. Full stop. The respondent number 3 has carried out the demolition process in his presence, and the petitioner has been evicted from the subject plot. Full stop. As a result, comma, the petitioner has to take shelter somewhere else, at a place other than the subject plot where she was residing since 1994-1995. Issue notice returnable on so and so. Short notice. As Miss Bordolo and Miss Bormon. No formal notice, extra copies. Having regard to the projection made on behalf of the petitioner in the aforesaid manner, and after going through the documents annexed to the writ petition, comma, it is ordered, comma, in the interim that there shall not be any further action, in respect of the respondent authority shall not take any further action in respect of the subject plot, and also shall not take any coercive steps against the petitioner till the return.
26th August.
So nothing, no allotment
2608.
for big and powerful.
Obliged, Worship.
Next.
Supplementary list, item 47. Item number 47.
আকৌ এই supplementary list to শেষ হলে মাতি দিব আৰু।
Item 48.
May I please, Your Lordship. Lordship, may kindly see the impugned order.
I am for the caveat, my lord.
Page 27 is the impugned order. Lordship. Allegation is that the petitioner submitted false affidavit at the time of filing nomination paper, Lordship, regarding her case. And on the allegation of child marriage, petitioner has been.
Where the matter was duly examined through so and so, and his date of birth of Srimati Resina Khatun is so and so.
Lordship, as a lordship knows that the case is covered case, lordship. And position is settled, the judgment of this honorable court. The similar issue also went to the appeal was filed, lordship. That is also dismissed on this ground, lordship. So judgment, lordship.
Yes, my lord. There are two sets of judgment, my lord. In one case, the contested candidate cannot file, my lord, application before the district commissioner, my lord. He has to file election petition before the, my lord, district court, my lord. And the respondent and caveator, my lord, he is not the contested candidate, my lord. So he can file application. That is your lordship judgment is there, and division is upheld that, my lord.
Once election is over, the
No, he is an elector.
No, my lord.
he is not.
No, my lord.
No, you are a contested candidate.
No, my
contesting
lord.
candidate.
No.
Yes, Mr.
That is the right, my lord, but this is to be examined, my lord. This may be issue at this stage.
Man, her child, my lord, two set of birth certificate, my lord.
No, lordship.
And vaccination card, everything is there, my lord.
He
Disputed facts are
submitted
there, my lord. So this may be issue.
impugn order with state lordship in the meantime.
Vaccination card, everything is there, my lord. Kindly see, my lord. He procured two sets of, my lord, birth certificate. And that is
Yes, more set of the. Yes. Where is that judge?
Mutir Rahman case, my lord. Mutir Rahman case will cover
Yes.
this case, my lord.
Just
Yes,
a minute.
That is there, my lord.
Hey, more mobile to Hey, more mobile to Mobile.
And division bench upheld the same, my lord.
No, Supreme Court has also upheld.
Yes, my lord.
Supreme Court has upheld. So this, I don't know. And Supreme Court has said also, an elector has no option but to file a writ petition. Another judge.
But now my lord question is, my lord, it is, my lord, admitted.
No, before that, before my decision,
My lord.
virus of Rule 62 has been upheld by a division bench of this court. After that, single judge cannot question the virus of Rule 62. Division bench led by Honorable Justice Thulia. Now I want to see one more thing, because I remember the name.
Lordship, can you see I have
1 minute, sir.
sorry.
And it is WPC number 510/2020, Division Bench. Virus of Rule 62, it is there, it says, by means of the present writ petition, the petitioner has challenged the virus of the Assam Panchayat Constitution Amendment Rules 2018, whereby after Rule 61, a new rule, Rule 62 has been inserted in place of the earlier 62 of the Assam Panchayat Constitution Rules. It will also judgment dated. Okay, we will put it tomorrow. We will bring all the judgments right from Javed, 2003, where same authority, Supreme Court upheld that district commissioner can disqualify a candidate. That virus was challenged on about 5 grounds. Everything was done. Supreme Court has upheld the virus in Haryana. Thereafter, virus of Rule 62 has been upheld. Thereafter, Motiur Rahman came.
Yes, that is there, my lord.
Then thereafter, Motiur Rahman judgment has been
Appeal.
upheld by division bench.
Yes.
Then that was challenged before Supreme Court. That was Afel.
And
Thereafter, this Ayesa Khatun has come, which is completely in a different way. So we'll discuss everything tomorrow. We don't have time today, right? Thereafter, we'll issue notice. So that you can argue the matter.
But if possible, day after tomorrow or next day.
No, good day after tomorrow.
I have some difficulty tomorrow. Any day, any day.
Because with time, because this time we can rising early. Tomorrow you have difficulty.
I have difficulty.
Tuesday then,
Next Tuesday.
we'll pass the, because your seat is vacant. Be there for 5 days. Naam ki dali. M.I. Hussain for the petitioner. Mr. S. Dotto. Panchayat and Rural Development Department for the respond number 1,
1, 3,
3,
5,
5,
and 6.
6.
Number 7.
State Election Commission is there. Miss M. Bormon, Junior Government Advocate Assam for the respond number 4. And Mr. H. R. Amit, Landed Council for the respond number Caveator stroke respond number 7. Your name is reflected?
My lord.
Okay. List the case in the motion column on Tuesday.
Obliged.
Obliged.
Oh.
The district administration had acquired land measuring 8 bigger and 5 acres covered by Dag number 287 of Patta number 12, Idalpur Revenue Village, District Lakhimpur. And thereafter, Lordship a compensation amount of rupees 95 lakhs 44,080 was
Where is that?
disbursed.
Where is that?
Lordship.
Where is that compensation? It has been informed to you.
Yes, Lordship, we made an RTA application and thereafter it was.
Where is that?
That is at page 49, annexure 6.
49.
9. This is by the additional district commissioner, Lordship. With reference to the above, I am to furnish here with the following information in connection with your petition dated 5/8/2025 under RTI Act 2005. Copy of the order in form B under section 3(1) of Assam Land Regulation. These are not required, Lordship. Only para 4 and 5.
What has been acquired for
Para
development
4,
of
5,
land.
6.
Total compensation assessed against acquisition of land.
Para 3. The total compensation
Measuring
assessed against the
covered by
acquisition of
Dag
land
number
measuring 8 bigger
95 lakh 44,000. 80
was sanctioned, and out of which the petitioners herein they have received that
serial number, petitioner serial number,
petitioner serial number A, Lordship.
Jugananda Barbara.
Yes, Lordship. 54 lakhs 98,748, which was amongst the petitioner number 1, 2, and 3, equally divided.
Jugananda Barbara. Now, who are the petitioners here?
3 petitioners.
Who are they?
They are the brothers.
Jugananda. So,
Jogananda.
that amount is for all the 3 petitioners.
Yes, Lordship. Jogananda received all entire amount and disbursed to Dipali Borbora as well as Bonti Borbora.
They received entire amount, 54.
Yes. But now we are telling you what is there, the para 5, the total compensation amount for the aforesaid plot of land has been disbursed to the above mentioned recipients by sanction order dated 7/7 and number 2nd installment of compensation due for payment. However, an amount of rupees 5,50,000 only has been assessed as the rehabilitation and resettlement for single person 5,50,000. And here
an amount of rupees 5,50,000 only has been assessed.
Assessed for rehabilitation and settlement.
3 persons.
3
Jugananda.
Jogananda, Bikul Borbora, and Rupali Borbora. But it should be 16,50,000. That was the wrongly assessed, Lordship. Now my prayer is that we have
16 lakh, half, where from you are saying 16 lakhs?
No, 16,50,000.
Huh?
It should be 16,50,000 per head.
5,50,000 each. But no one is mentioned there.
It is not stated. Therefore, we filed a representation, Lordship. Lordship may direct the respondent district commissioner as well as deputy additional district commissioner to dispose of my representation, our representation at page 52. That was filed on 2/11/2024. The vernacular also.
Yes. Disposal, otherwise I don't allow.
Let the represent, let the pair of my learned friends will dispose of the representation
Yes,
pending.
yes.
Lordship can do that.
Generally, I don't allow.
That was our earlier practice, Lordship.
I generally don't allow without ascertaining.
I leave it to Lordship.
What is there in the representation? Wherefrom you are saying 16 lakh, there is nothing.
No.
In
There
your
was a
representation, there is nothing.
there was a compromise agreement, Lordship, between the petitioner and the private respondents at page 41, by which the private respondent has agreed to that the petitioners will receive 65% of the total compensation amount. At page, Lordship will find it starts. from
Yes, we'll
page-
dispose of.
Lordship.
Heard Mr. Ard or learned counsel for the petitioners. But they are private respondents.
Private respondents for abandoned question we have made, Lordship. Because there was an agreement, Lordship, and the title suit was also closed on the basis of that compromise agreement.
So they have to be given hearing.
Because there is a compromise agreement.
They
at
have to
page-
give they have to be given hearing then.
Then Lordship may issue notice, Lordship. Let us get instant.
Lordship, if your Lordship comes to page 41, this is a compromise agreement between the petitioner and the respondent.
Let
private
Deputy
respondent.
Commissioner respond. Heard Mr. R.
But
Or
their
net-
only dispute is regarding that 5,50,000. The
Yes.
rest amount, Lordship, they have received.
Counsel for the petitioners. Ms. N. Bordolo, Learned Standing Counsel, Revenue Department for the respond number 1. Mr.
2 and
H.
3.
Sharma, Learned Additional City Government Advocate for the respond number 2 and 3. First of para. The subject matter of this petition is compensation amount assessed for acquisition of a plot of land measuring 8 bighas, 5 lesses, covered by DAG number 287 under patta number 12, periodic patta number 12, situated at Revenue Village Ujjalpur, Mouza Nakari, District Lakhimpur, subject plot, acquired for the project quote development of Lilabari Airport unquote under the provisions of Assam Land within bracket requisition and acquisition bracket close Act 1964 and the distribution stroke apportionment of the land compensation amount assessed for the subject plot among the claimants. Posto. Para. It is stated that an amount of rupees 95 lakh 44,080 was assessed as the compensation amount for acquisition of the subject plot. Post of the aforesaid, the said compensation amount of rupees 95 lakh 44,080 was distributed among amongst 7 claimants. Post of the petitioners through the petition number 1 had received the compensation of an amount of rupees 54,98,748, and the other 6 claimants received the remaining amount as per, according to the petitioners, the terms of compromise arrived at by the petitioner side and the other claimants in a title suit, title suit number 8/2020, correct?
Yes.
Post of the cause of action, according to the petitioners, for the instant writ petition is distribution of another amount of rupees 5,50,000 assessed towards rehabilitation and resettlement award for the subject plot. Post of as per information received, the said amount of rupees 5,50,000 is to be distributed among 1. Jugananda Borbora, within bracket the petition number 1, 2. Bikul Borbora, and 3. Rupali Borbora. So you are getting it.
Yes.
So what is the grievance?
Grievance is that each 5,50,000
Huh?
each.
It is to be according to them, according to department, this 5,50,000 is to be distributed among the 3 persons. Now they are claiming 5,50,000 each. But
Okay.
whether the deputy commissioner do that, lordship. Apart from that, it's regarding construction of Lilaveri airport. The airport authority has not been made party. Yes, because we are only the disbursing authority. We have to get the amount from them.
The petitioners have stated that instead of apportionment of rupees 5,50,000 among 3 claimants, each of the 3 claimants are entitled to receive rupees 5,50,000 individually.
Because they had separate dwelling houses, lordship.
Individually. Post of. Let notice be issued. But why then, if why the other party came in picture?
Only for abandoned question, lordship.
Abandoned question. More the merrier. Okay, as so and so appeared accepted. No formal notice, extra copies. Steps upon respond number
4 to 9.
4 to 9 by speed post within 2 working days from today.
Obliged.
Returnable.
11 September, 1109. Item 50.
President Construction Committee.
For the MLA area development fund, you understand in this case.
MLA is disturbing you.
New MLA, new incoming.
New MLA.
And then DC also changed.
DC also changed.
DC also changed. Now, and now page 23.
So they are not in your favor.
Page 23 can take here. This is clarification from the government. Here, page 23. Letter. Bottom your lordship, page 23. In many cases, schemes or construction committees recommended by previous MLAs had already been notified by the district commissioner prior to the imposition of the model code of conduct in connection with the general election of the district assembly. However, release of fund could not be proceeded due to transfer of the then district commissioner Dhubri, immediate enforcement of the model code of conduct. In view of the circumstances above, we have examined the revised guideline along with the subsequent provision issued there to however no conclusive interpretation could not be arrived at our end. Accordingly, clarification from the government is required whether the newly elected sitting MLAs shall be authorized to execute modified schemes recommended earlier by the request MLAs, whether the schemes already recommended and notified prior to
Heard Mr. S. Islam, learned counsel for the petitioners. And Mr. H. Sharma, learned additional senior government advocate.
1 and 2.
Assam for the respondent number 1 and 2. Who is 3? Finance.
finance.
Okay. Miss Bodole, any finance person? Mr. H. Aliel, standing out the finance department. Government of Assam for the respondent number 3. Any? Who is Mr. Dotto? S. Dotto.
In July ago, he was here in another case of CBAPA.
Because for 4. Okay. The petitioners. Foreign number. I have stated that they are presidents of construction committees constituted for implementation of members of Legislative Assembly Area Development Fund within bracket MLAAD Fund for the years 2024-2025 and 2025-2026 for under Dhubri Legislative Assembly constituency. Full stop. The petitioners have stated that the construction works selected by the construction committees, headed by the petitioners, were duly approved by the district level committee, and after due examination, amounts were also sanctioned against those construction works. Post up. The respondent number 2 and the respondent number 3 had also released amount against some of the selected works. Post up. Para. However, due to transfer of the earlier incumbent holding the office of the respondent number 2 and imposition of model code of conduct for the general election to Assam Legislative Assembly in the year 2026, the amount sanctioned for the remaining construction works were not released. Post stop. The petition has come to learn that due to influence the pressure created by the newly elected MLA of Dhubri LSC, the remaining amount sanctioned for the already approved construction works have not been released to the construction committees, headed by the petitioners, and it is the allegation of the petitioners that the respondent authorities are now contemplating to divert the said amount for other schemes, hence the writ petition. As Dr. Standing Council Panchayat and Rural Development Department for the respondent for issue notice returnable on so and so, as so and so, so and so. No formal notice, extra copies. The respondent authorities are to bring their stand, are to traverse the contentions made by the petitioners in this writ petition by filing counter affidavits on or before the returnable. The name of Learned Standing Council, as Dr. Learned Standing Council, Panchayat and Rural Development Department is to reflect it. For the respondent report is to be reflected in the respondent side the comments.
Mainly the Panchayat is the party lordship. My learned friend has not made Panchayat the party lordship. Only BDO has been made a party.
No, it is a committee for the district committee. It is MLA scheme for the committee.
Even then,
District
lordship.
commissioner headed by-
And my learned friend has just now told that for respondent number 3 lordship, I will appear.
Because they are under the establishment of the DC only.
Okay.
1, 2 and 3.
1, 2 and 3 then.
Lordship.
Standing Council finance to nalage.
Till date, they may be restrained not to divert the fund. Till the respondent may be restrained but not to divert the
Fund keeps coming.
No, your as per my instruction, fund. 2 extra copy may be served.
Huh?
2 extra.
Okay, 2 extra.
It is a
Returnable
MLA
material.
development.
14 September, 1409.
Extra copy divided.
Item 51.
Lordship, the petitioner are lawful owners of the premises, lordship, where 2 rehab centers were running, lordship. Thereafter, a case was registered, lordship. A case was registered, lordship, regarding assault on inmates present in the rehab center, lordship. And the 2 premises were sealed, lordship, by the respondent number 2, with a direction to conduct with a direction to the respondent number 3 to conduct an inquiry within 7 days and to relocate the inmates present there in lordship. The order was passed on 5/6/2026, which is at page 35, lordship.
You are the
We are the lawful owners of the premises that were used by the rehab center, lordship.
yes. Is
2
there
months
any
elapsed, lordship.
necessity of further sealing? Can you get instruction from the respondent number 2?
Lordship.
First, let us have.
Only, my lord, the representation is of 27/7. It's not been 10 days, my lord.
But 5th June,
5th June.
the inmates are
Already
relocated. Now, if you want to make seizure, you can make seizure. But
Yes.
sealing hurt Mr. P. Bordoloi Learned Counsel for the petition and Mr. N. Das Learned Junior Government Advocate, Assam, for the respondent number
All my
1,
lord.
2, 3.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay. For all the respondents, full stop.
It is
The
good.
main grievance of the 2 petitioners is that 2 houses,
Lordship, houses.
2 houses, belonging to the petitioners, were sealed by the instruction of the respondent number 2 pursuant to his order dated 5/6/2026. Full stop. From the order dated 5/6/2026 within bracket annexer F, it is noticed that two rehabilitation centers by the name of Live Well Rehabilitation Center and Protigga Rehabilitation Center used to be run from the said two houses. Post of the by the order dated finding prima facie incriminatory evidence against the entities running those two rehabilitation centers with regard to assault and ill treatment of inmates, comma, the respond number 2 by the order dated 5/6/2026, comma, directed, appointed an inquiry officer to conduct a detailed inquiry into the functioning of the two rehabilitation centers and in the process directed to seal the two houses until further orders. Post up. The district social welfare officer was directed to make immediate arrangement for safe relocation and accommodation of the inmates in suitable recognized rehabilitation centers. Post up. Para. The petitioner have submitted that as more than as 2 months have passed since 5/6/2026, comma, there might not be any further necessity to keep the two houses in sealed conditions. Post of in view of keeping the two houses in sealed conditions, comma, the petitioners have apprehended that have submitted that they are prevented, and there will be wear and tears. There will be wears and tears in the two houses if the petitioners are prevented from prevented from Mr. Das, since a period of 2 months have passed since 5/6/2026, comma, Mr. Das shall obtain instruction whether there is any further necessity to keep the two houses of the petitioners herein in sealed condition for any further. A short call by Mr. Das raised the case on when 2 weeks ago. But it's 1 week. If you say that yes, you have any problem, then we'll issue notice. Okay, Mr. Bordoloi, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, shall furnish an extra copy of the writ petition to Mr. Das during the course of the day in order to enable Mr. Das to take necessary steps from his end to obtain the necessary instruction. Place the case on next Wednesday. Madam.
1208.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Time being matter, item 5.
The petitioners in this case are aggrieved by one. Their Bosundhara application has been rejected by the circle officer, and it is annexed at page number 63. Some of the rejections are annexed at page number 63. Although the number of petitioners are very high, but grieve level please honorable court to produce the document at the time of hearing.
What is your service? Yesterday we have disposed of, right?
11/11/2022.
Ah.
He has to appeal before the commissioner.
Commissioner Secretary, there is an appeal provision. Yesterday we have disposed of
Lordship.
that if you are seeking this service, settlement of khas and ceiling surplus land, then if you are aggrieved by any order of rejection, then you can file an appeal before the Commissioner Secretary to the
Revenue and disaster management.
Same direction may kindly.
11,
Kali order to sound.
11/11/22.
File an appeal along with all the supporting documents.
Lordship, additionally.
Because instead of we examining factual thing,
Lordship.
because notification is there, this one is the notification.
Lordship, our only prayer is that till disposal, Lordship, no coercive measures may.
You seek the prayer before the appellate authority. Any notice been served.
No notice, Lordship.
Then nowadays state governments follow Salakuddin notice, Supreme Court judgments. They now follow and they incorporate all these judgments in the notice itself. You are that way. You are. I think that's exact. Mr. U.S. Bora, Learned Counsel for the Petitioners. Mondal yesterday, no? Department for the respond number 1 and Mr. N. Das,
2, 3, Malak.
Junior Government Advocate Assam for the respond number 2 and 3. Full stop. The petitioners, how many?
270, Lordship.
216 in number. Come, I have joined together. The inside of the article 226 of the Constitution stating that they have a common goal. Petitions have stated that they all are residents. They are all are inhabitants of village Alamganj, part Roman Muni, Gauripur Revenue Circle, District of Assam. It is stated that the petitions have been residing are indigenous, landless, belong to indigenous, landless families, and the families of the petitioners residing at different plots of land within any specific dark number. No? Residing in a parcel of land, in a parcel of government khas land, at village Alamganj part 9, since several decades. The families of the petitioners who are in occupation of small or who each are in occupation of small areas of land, comma, um, uh, prior to 28/6/2001, postal, having continuous and uninterrupted possession of those plots of land, and they establish their residential houses over the areas of land under their occupation. Postal. Para. Why that the Vasundhara scheme is there?
Yes.
Scheme is there or notification is there?
Notification is not
Okay.
there, but we
The,
have some application acknowledgements.
The petitioners,
Application acknowledgement.
it is stated that though the petitioners have been had approached repeatedly, had approached the respondent authorities for settlement of the areas of land, comma, which are under their occupation, comma, in their favor. No action was taken by the respondent authorities despite such approaches. Postal. When Mission Vasundhara 2.0 was notified by the state government, comma, the petitioners decided to file applications for the notified public service, comma, settlement of costs and sealing surplus land, unquote, for settlement of the areas of land, comma, which are under their long and uninterrupted occupation, comma, on the basis of historical records which are under their possession. Postal. Para. In support of such contention regarding filing of online application as per the prescribed procedure prescribed by the Assam Right to Public Services Act 2012 as amended, comma, the petitioners have annexed the status report generated in the designated citizen platform portal, comma, aforesaid, as annexer Roman 3 to the writ petitions. Postal. Para. This is all under process or all have been
This has
this-
already
Rejected, my lord,
rejected.
was August, April, September.
where is the statement in the writ petition? During the period from, because the applications
My lord,
were
it's from
submitted during
63,
the period from
62, the delivery date is, my lord, 16/9/25.
2011, 24
which
is
are they, which are they?
and date of
There
rejection
is nothing.
Someone is August last year.
Someone is my lord.
February 26.
Where is the rejection application?
Rejection application is that page number 70 and Excel 4.
Okay. The petitioners have further stated that when
Representation, right?
the petitioners have stated that after submission of the applications, comma, আগৰ পাৰ্টটো লিখিব নালাগে, the designated portal, huh? After submissions of the applications, the petitioner waited for due consideration of their applications. Post up. When the petitioners track the status of their applications in the designated citizen platform to portal, the petitioners came to learn that their applications were rejected on
7/8/2025.
all
No. There are different.
In the year 2025.
Ah.
You can write.
by different orders in August 2025. So copies of some of the rejection orders have been annexed by the petitioner as annexer Roman 3 to the petition.
Somewhere of April also, my lord.
Various months in 2025, not August. Agreed by rejection of their applications in such manner by the designated public servant, the petitioners stated to have preferred a representation before the respondent number 2, page 70, on which date?
9/9.
Petitioner stated to have submitted representations before the respondent number 2. When?
On
9/9.
9/9/2025.
9/9/2025. With a request to review and reconsider the rejection orders passed in respect of their applications submitted for settlement of past and ceiling surplus land under Mission Bosundhara scheme. Post up. According to petitioners, the representations were duly received by the office of the respondent number 2. Post up. The petitioners have preferred a present petition seeking inter alia direction to the respondent authorities to set aside and pass the rejection orders passed by the respondent authorities, and also to issue a direction to the respondent number 2 to review and reconsider the petitioner's application submitted under Mission Bosundhara AFRES 2.0 AFRES in accordance with the Assam Land Policy, 2019. In response, Mr. Authorised and Mr. Das, learned counsel appearing for the state respondents, have submitted that as per a notification dated 11/11/2022, published by the Revenue and Disaster Management Department, Government of Assam, under Section 4 of the Assam Right to Public Services Act, 2012, for the notified public service, settlement of khas and ceiling surplus land, the designated public servant is the district commissioner. Post up. As per the citizen charter annexed to the said notification, the commissioner secretary to the Government of Assam Revenue and Disaster Management Department is the first appellate authority for the notified public service, settlement of khas and ceiling surplus land. Full stop. They have thus submitted that the respondent number 2 does not have the authority and jurisdiction either to review his rejection orders or to reconsider the applications of the petitioner. By the representatives of the petitioner, stated to have been filed by the petitioners before him on 9/9/2025. Full stop. Therefore, the directions sought for by the petitioners in this writ petition are not called for. Full stop. In support of their submissions, a copy of the notification dated 11/11/2022 of the Revenue and Disaster Management Department, Government of Assam, is placed before the court. Full stop. Para. District Commissioner Thubri. ইয়াতে DLR বুলি আছে। The petitioners have canvassed that they have all the eligibility to be extended the notified public service, settlement of khas and ceiling surplus land. Position of the concerned parcel of land since the time of their predecessors in interest for a number of decades, and more particularly prior to 28/6/2001. Paragraph 1. Paragraph 1. I think that is the date of eligibility in the Mission Bosundara. Full stop. Therefore, the petitioners, if they want the notified public service, settlement of khas and ceiling surplus land, and are aggrieved by their rejection orders, which they term as non-region orders, the petitioners can prefer an appeal before the first appellate authority notified under Section 8(1) of the ARTPS, that is the Commissioner Secretary to Government of Assam, Revenue and Disaster Management Department, at the earliest seeking condonation of the period of delay that has occurred in the meantime from the date of rejection of their applications. As per the proviso to subsection 1 of Section 8 of the ARTPS, the first appellate authority can admit an appeal after expiry of the period of limitation for filing an appeal if he is satisfied that the appellant was prevented by sufficient cause from filing the appeal in time. So therefore, the petitioners, while filing the appeals before the first appellate authority, shall also file an application for condonation of the period of delay that has occurred, showing sufficient cause, and if such an application is filed by the petitioners, the first appellate authority shall consider the application for condonation of the period of delay, and thereafter to consider the appeal on its own merits in accordance with law. Para, with the observations made and direction given above, the writ petition is dismissed.
Item 6.
Your Lordship, in this case, I seek some more time because on the last occasion, I have been directed to produce the 9-point affidavits only. So application copy we have filed in our file, but the 9-point affidavit we have deposited with the Deputy Commissioner's office. So we have to obtain from.
How much time will you need?
Till then, my lord, from my lord, humanitarian.
Your Lordship,
I
sale has already been
am
set.
in the position to dispose of the writ petition.
Sale has already
Because
been
you
done.
have said that certain procedural infirmity is there.
They may approach
The act that I missed that. The act of the Deputy Commissioner is a ministerial act. You know ministerial act? He is basically only a clerk. The law has been settled, but I am trying to extend the more benefits so that you can make some challenge before competent forum. But if you are insisting, I can dispose it right now. that this
Say-
court, by
Otherwise,
catena of decisions of the Honorable Supreme Court, I can cite 5. I have the citations. Then 226 petition is not
Not
maintainable,
maintained.
dismissed. You are very limited
Yes,
thing. I want so that you can have the documents. Since you are saying that they have not complied with the procedural formalities. Nowadays, bank after SARFAESI Act of 2002, initial period they made some defaults. Nowadays they are doing it as per the procedure. Heard Mr. Allen's Rohingya Land Council for the petitioner. And thus 1, 2, and 3, M. Sharma, 4 and 5. Mr. Sharma has submitted that the respondent bank authorities further submitted instruction that what is that document?
that is an affidavit along with the section 14 application.
The affidavit which was submitted at the time of filing the application under section 14 of the SARFAESI Act, is not presently with the bank authorities as it was already submitted in the office of the respondent number 2.
Yes, sir.
2. Response. He therefore needs 1 week's time to make endeavor those documents in reference to the order dated 27/7/2026, posted in view of the above submission of Mr. Sharma, Learned Counsel for the respondent of 4 and 5, release the case again. Next Friday.
14/8.
Highly blessed.
Timing matter, item 10.
In my case, in my personal case, when I applied for NOP, I have to submit one, fill up one form after downloading it from the website. Along with that, I have to enclose first the death certificate, secondly, an self-declaration affidavit, thirdly, revenue receipt, and fourthly, an certificate from local authority. Now, local authority, in case of town, it is ward commissioner. He has to certify that these persons who are claiming applicants are related to the deceased person. For that purpose, that certificate is required.
Now, all these applications are before chairperson.
Yes. Yes. No, there is one application he has submitted before this one, phase 16. Ward commissioner.
Okay.
Once he get it, that will be complete. Then he can upload it in the
Okay.
website.
But the application is for legal aid certificate.
No, he cannot issue legally. He only certified that these are the persons, applicants are related to the deceased person on the basis of our declaration affidavit.
So where is the approach to ward commissioner for legal local certificate?
No, that is in page 15. That language.
Assamese I have read.
Yes.
Uttaradhikari Praman Patra.
No, he cannot issue Uttaradhikari Praman Patra.
That is what I am asking.
Yes, yes. He cannot he will only certify that these persons are related.
He is already making an endorsement at page 12. It is he who has to issue the certificate. See his endorsement there.
8 নং ৱাৰ্ডৰ কৰদাতাক সঠিক তথ্য গ্ৰহণ কৰি লিপিবদ্ধ কৰিবৰ কাৰণে জনোৱা হ'ব।
He is sending the matter to the chairperson.
need not. He himself has to.
That is what I am asking.
My lord.
He asked for legal error certificate to the chairman, which he cannot issue. As per your notification dated 10/4/2013,
He has only to issue a certificate.
ward commissioner can issue some certificate,
Yes.
which he has not applied.
Hmm.
So where is the scope for this court?
Difficult.
Then may withdraw with liberty to file.
First, you have to make an application to
He
the
has
ward
to-
commissioner
Yeah,
at
ward
least
commissioner he has to make.
Liberty to.
and file for local certificate if you want.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Thereafter, you are asking for legal error certificate. Neither chairperson can issue nor ward member can issue. Now, how can we say that they are not acting
Yes. Yes.
when they do not have the authority? That is what I am saying.
My lord is right.
But you are repeatedly making submission.
Right.
I do not want myself to be ridiculed. Let's see. This court, High Court is directing for local certificate. Mr. H.P. Gwalal and counsel for the petitioner has submitted that the petitioner wants to withdraw this writ petition in order to approach appropriate authority for the local certificate,
Certification.
local certification. And they have to approach if any cause of action arises. Approach again if any subsequent cause arises thereafter. Mr. Oh, if nobody is here, in view of the above submission made by Mr. Gwala, then counsel for the petition under petition is dismissed and withdrawn with the liberty as sought for.
Obliged.
Supplementary list, item 47.
Authorised police official also in preventing him from plowing and cultivating his Medipatta land also. And furthermore,
So you have been detained according to you,
on 3 occasions also.
3 occasions.
3 occasions also. On last 17/7,
Ah.
26 also. Without following any due procedure. Furthermore, Lordship, the police official directing not to plow and cultivate without jurisdiction also. There is no any such order.
Let us issue notice then. Miss Bormon, you get an instruction from the respondent number 3, 2 and 3. Heart, Mr. Z.R.A. Motaku.
Instead of issuing notice, my lord, let me have the instruction first from the
Okay.
2 entry, my lord.
And Miss M. Bormon, Learned Junior Government Advocate Assam for the respondent number 1, 2 and 3. Full stop. Mr. Motaku, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, has submitted that without any information regarding institution of any complaint alleging any offense from anyone, the petitioner was detained on 3 occasions. On 2/6/2025, 6/2/2026, and recently on 7/7/2026 by the police personnel from Baihata Sariali Police Station. First up, Mr. Mormon Learned Junior Government Advocate is to obtain instruction as to whether any complaint, FIR, or general diary entry has been lodged stroke registered at Baihata Saili Police Station. And also for detention of the petitioner on 3 occasions, as alleged by the petitioner. Release the case on after 1 week,
Next Wednesday or Friday.
the next Wednesday.
No more changes.
What course evasion?
Because
Let us see what they say.
preventing from plowing and cultivating.
Now,
12th August.
now after
12th February.
this
12th.
order, you show this order.
Order no steps. Item 20.
All the respondents.
All the respondents.
Yes, Lord.
You have any instruction?
No, not yet.
Okay.
Sorted, my lord.
Or Mr. M. Ali Narayan, counsel for the petitioner. Mr.
A. Hussain.
A. Hussain. Or Mr. Sharma.
Yes.
On behalf of Mr. M. Sharma, learned counsel for the respondent Canara Bank authorities. Submitted that. Yes. Instruction that they are on behalf of all the respondents. Also, he has further submitted that he needs 1 week's time to obtain necessary instruction in the matter. And has thus sought for listing of the case after having post of raise the case on sites of that 17th August.
For admission, item 22.
Lordship, my senior is in another court. Can we take this matter after some time later?
Not after some time today, some other day. Court will be rising at 4:15. No point.
Or some other day, because it is not maintainable.
Maintainable.
Not maintainable. Property itself is doesn't belong. They have relinquished it long back, 2005.
Okay.
Everything has been placed, my lord. Civil suit pending. They have not implemented themselves also in that civil suit.
And as learned counsel, learned junior government advocate Assam revenue, aforesaid revenue, 1, and as 2, 3, 4, 5. Mr.
I'm
Das?
respondent number 8, madam.
Okay, respondent number 8. Who is there? T.R. Sharma? 679, not there. Miss
S.E. Murtaja.
Murtaja, learned counsel, preparing for the petitioner, has sought listing of the case on another date. Post up. As Miss R. Chaudhary,
Yes.
learned senior counsel, who is leading her in this case, has some personal difficulty. Post up in view of the ground cited, let the case be listed on such. Review it.
24th August.
Bless me.
Items 23 and 24.
Better be taken up any other day, my lord. Better be taken up any other day.
Readings are complete. Lordship may fix a date
Okay.
for disposal, month of September.
Okay. Miss P. Bora, petitioner. Mr. P. J. Segal and senior counsel. Nirola. Learned counsel for respondent number 1, 2, and 3.
2 and 3.
Has submitted that exchange of pleading is complete. Post up. Kind of hearing that will. I have sought for an agreed to by learned counsel for the parties, leaves the case on a hearing date.
15 September, 1509.
Is the cases?
But I'm
Okay,
agreeing to
case.
respond number 1 and 2.
1 and 2. PJ Soikia, 1 and 2. Huh?
Obliged.
Cases.
Item 29.
Junmoni Das.
Lordship, in this case, husband of the petitioner had identified due to drowning in public place, Your Lordship, on 6th.
Drowning.
Yes, Your Lordship. On
Refer to, yes. Any response? Die and kill. Die and kill. So you should call for considerations. Hmm?
On similar.
Die may not have any third person. Kill is due to drowning. Yes.
That is similar. But then can we have the instructions from the DC? That will be better one.
File the affidavit. File. Whether there was any flood or not. If floods, it may happen like it is happening. Alright, Mr. S.I. Learned Counsel for the petitioner, aforesaid, standing counsel, revenue and register. For one, Miss and Borma, Chief for in fact. Miss Borma. A short for example, police line. To fight a counter affidavit on behalf of the respondent. Number 2, 3 and 5. It's the case of such. It's the case of the police. Let them fight.
Item 30. In this case, Lordship, Mr. Kain Chaudhary is leading in the matter, Your Lordship. Praying for some accommodation, Lordship, today because he is in a video conferencing, Your Lordship.
Okay.
Yes, Mr.
We have filed the affidavit, my lord. And the lordships earlier asked us to produce the mutation proceedings, records of the mutation proceeding, my lord. We'll produce it my lord, at the time of hearing. Lordship, we fix a date, particular date, my lord, we'll produce it.
Okay.
Hearing they may be friends with Subject, what might be your.
Hearing that. And
Mr. DJ Das, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. has sought for listing of the case on another date on the ground that Mr. Ken Chudley and senior counsel who is leading him in this case has some personal difficulty today. Mr. A. Barasaiji, Revenue. One, Mr. J. Soti, Alliance Senior Counsel and Senior Standing Counsel, KAAC for the respond number 2, 3, and 4. Mr. M. Borman, 5. Mr. NHI Resale, is there? No. And Mr. G. Jalan, Alliance Counsel for the respond number 4 are present.
10. Okay.
10. Okay. And board revenue, huh? Yes. For this thing, case on release the case on
If
side.
it is not incongruent, can it be on 18th, your lordship?
This month is not possible.
Possible, lordship, then
15 September, 1509.
But
Items 31 and 32.
Lordship, I Borthako is on legs on another court, Lordship, after some time, Lordship.
My lord,
Not sometime today.
Lord, in this case, my lord, respondent number 6 has filed their affidavit. So I want to file one.
Okay.
I want to file my reply. Private respondent was 7 of kind of reply.
7 you have filed and you are seeking time to file reply
Petitioner. For petitioner.
for petitioner to file reply.
Reply of respondent number 6.
6.
6.
7 has filed.
7.
Whether you want to file.
7 is private respondent.
Whether
6
you
is
want to file any
Yes,
reply
yes, yes, against him also.
against him also, so that on one day it can be otherwise next day you will say, I'll file reply.
Yes, yes.
I heard Mr. J. Sharma. You are for both the in
Yes.
both the cases?
Yes.
Okay. J. Sharma, learned counsel for the petitioner. Mr.
A Goswami, Lordship.
A. Goswami on behalf of
I Borthako for the Forest
I.
Department.
Bhartakur, Standing Counsel Forest Department, M. Borman, Junior Government Advocate, Assam, and Bordoloi, Standing Counsel Revenue Department, and Mr. SK. Oh, who is the private respondent in first one? And Mr. SK Podar, and counsel for the respondent number 7 in item 32. Huh? Mr. Podar has submitted that an affidavit in opposition on behalf of the respondent number 7 in 32 has already been filed. Post of Mr. Sharma, learned counsel for the petitioners in both the cases, has submitted that in which case?
My lord, this
First
is
case.
31. Yes, my lord, 31.
Huh?
31.
He needs 3 weeks time
3 weeks.
to file an affidavit in reply to the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondent number 6 in 31 and affidavits in reply, reply affidavits, and to the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondent number 7 in 32. He has therefore sought listing of the cases after 3 weeks, and the prayer made by Mr. Sharma is allowed, is accepted. List the cases on
9 September, 0909.
Right.
Item 33.
May it please, my lordship. My lordship, verification of land has not been done till today. Verification of land has not been done till today.
verification.
Land of the
Lordship, on the last occasion, we have submitted.
Has to verify asserting. Yes.
Joint spot verification has already been conducted by the officials of the respondents. And on the joint spot verification, 6 of the petitioners, they have not cooperated with the officials who have visited the spot, Lordship. So that's why 6 has been left out. And out of the 10 petitioners, 4 petitioners, their place has been verified already, and that is the spot verification report submitted. As 6 of the petitioners have not cooperated, we cannot survey the land, Lordship.
So Armstrong Camprai, his land is affected.
Affected, Lordship, out of the.
And other 6?
My lordship, I was instructed by my senior that no verification of land has been
But 6 of the petitioners were not there at the spot.
Lordship,
my lordship,
On the previous date also 22/6, we observed that let them be there.
my lordship, if there's any other issues, then my conducting counsel will take up.
Ah. Okay, Mr. B. Borua.
Lordship, as this verification has been conducted after receiving the representation submitted by the petitioners, Lordship, may I suggest that they can file the representation afresh, those who have not visited on the day.
Let Mr. Borua be available. He may not be knowing everything.
Lordship.
Miss,
My lordship, I was also informed that the respondent has not been filed. The affidavit has not been filed by the respondent.
when Mr. Borua will be available.
Sir, my lordship, first week, September, first week of September.
You bring this on affidavit.
I will bring this on record,
Ah,
Lordship,
better.
by filing affidavit.
Heard Miss
P. Yepto on behalf of the
Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Any PWD? Miss A. Bothagur, Learned Counsel on behalf of Mr. P. Nayak, Learned Standing Counsel, Public Works Department for the respondent 1 and 8. Mr. D. Thousand, Learned Standing Counsel, Hidima House Autonomous Council for the respondent 2-6 and 9. And Miss M. Bormon, Junior Government Advocate Assam for the respondent number 7. So Mr. Thousand has submitted that after joint verification, the spot. Joint verification, comma. Team submitted a joint verification report on 9/6/2026. Post up. But there is an allegation also in their submission that petitioner's participation was not asked for. Last time they submitted.
They submitted, Lordship. But in the present.
Notice served.
It has been served in the presence of
Notice served.
Gauhati.
As per the joint verification report, notices were served upon all the petitioners. How many petitioners?
Total 10, 6 have not participated for.
How many petitioners here?
10.
All the 10 petitioners. And at the time of joint verification, only 3 out of the 10 petitioners were present at the spot. First off, he has further submitted that as per the joint verification report, comma, out of the 3 petitioners whose plots of land were verified, comma, only an area of land measuring 0.34 bigha or the petitioner number 9 is found to be affected for the project. Mr. Yes, therefore submitted that he will bring the joint verification report on record by filing an affidavit within 2 weeks' time.
Lordship. Lordship, may I submit, Lordship, that notice has been served through the hand of Gaura as well as
It is there.
to notice. Lordship,
Right.
I'll bring on record.
I said that's what service of notice.
Notice.
To bring the joint verification report on record, huh? In 2 weeks' time. At least the case on source. Get the copy.
26th August, 2608.
My lordship, can you, is it possible to fix the date on first of means first week of September?
Okay. First week of September, then 7 September, 0709. Item 34.
Seeking some accommodation, my lord, because response from the deputy commissioner is required, my lord, so far as settlement is concerned. That information need to receive.
Land allotment.
Yes. After allotment, no further action has been taken regarding
M.
settlement.
Hussain, petitioner. N. Bordoloi. Okay, M. Bormon. 1345, N. Bordoloi, 2. Miss Bormon has submitted that the instructions, complete instructions are not yet received. Now, case be listed after 3 weeks, 4 weeks. In order to obtain a complete instruction, the matter, and therefore, and
File.
after to file the counter affidavit. The praise allowed, list the case on source.
1109, 11 September. Item 35.
Yeah, I have received my instruction, madam. That's why I'll have 3 weeks time to file my affidavit.
Okay. Oh, that unipole.
Yes,
Unipole.
demand notice are there.
Some unipole, right?
Yes, madam. Advertisement on money.
Removal of unipole.
Yes.
Mr. HK.
HR does.
HR does. Learned counsel for the petition is present. Mr. S. Bora
For GNC. madam.
Learned standing counsel, GMC, for the respondent number 3
Three,
and 4.
three.
3.
3 only.
4 also? Or not?
4 also.
3.
Only
Or
three.
amended cost title? Is there any amended cost title?
No, only 3, madam.
Please the.
Yeah,
Oh,
but
amended.
later on they have made GMC a party.
3 and 4.
And 3 and 4.
3 and 4. Has submitted that he has received the necessary instruction to file the counter affidavit on behalf of the said respondent and has therefore brought listing of the case after
3 weeks, lordship.
3 weeks in order to file the counter affidavit. The request is accepted, list the case on so and so. The entire one passed.
7 September, 0709.
The same order in the next case also.
36.
Same order in the next.
Items 39 and 44 orders.
Final. Both the cases.
Affidavit
Reading is complete. madam.
filed.
No, file. Also fix it for admission.
Mr. P. Sharma for the petitioner and Mr. S. Bora, standing counsel, GMC. I've submitted that the parties have exchanged their pleadings. Okay, raise the case. What is the issue?
Regarding whether there is a dumping ground minute in the,
After 2 weeks.
where some spilling over is there
Explain the
over the land of
in
the
admission
petitioner.
column. The interim order passed earlier in WBC number 1015/2026 shall continue till the next.
Okay.
Item 41.
Oh, dang. Yes, account.
20.
Bank account.
Yes. Please, madam. Madam, can
Fine,
you allow me
the-
for filing independent application for implement the party?
Implement.
Yes.
Okay. Mr. S. Roman, Learned Counsel for the petition, has sought listing of the case after 2 weeks in order to file for implement of the necessary time. In the meantime, Mr. H. Das, Learned Counsel for the respondent number
20, my lord.
2 and 3 is present. Then who else? Why this has come? This is the case after 2 weeks. You file them in time, then it will be listed.
In the meantime,
You file IA, as soon as you file IA, it will be listed within 2 weeks time. No date. File the IA.
Apply.
42.
Why it is listed? You are for
For respondent for 2 to 5.
2 to 5.
Indian Postal Bank, Your Lordship.
Madam, your name?
S-suit.
S. Som.
Suit. S-U-T.
Sut. S-U-T. For a petitioner. Mr.
GK Deka.
G.K. Rekal, Learned Counsel for the respondent number 2 to
5. Your Lordship,
5.
today we have filed our affidavit in opposition.
Receive also.
Post of. Mr. Rekal has submitted that an affidavit in opposition on behalf of the respondent 2 to 5 has been filed today.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Has been filed today. Post of. As per office notes. Comma dated 23/6/2026. And dated 2/7/2026. Comma notices.
any question? And in the meantime,